News of the day.
Well, the wood-burning fireplace appears to be the origin of a house fire this morning in Bath Township.
The Bath Township Fire Department was called out to 2263 Harding Highway around 4:30 this morning. Smoke and flames were coming from the second story of the home when firefighters arrived. Bath was assisted on the 2-alarm blaze by American Township, Lima, and Perry Township Fire Departments. The house is owned by Brittany Bond. She and her family were able to get out of the home safely. Damage estimate is set at $60,000. The fire was ruled accidental.